You've made the very difficult decision that it's time to put your mom into a nursing home. This video is designed to give you some things to look for when deciding which nursing home is appropriate for her. Hi, I'm Erin Field. I'm a Connecticut personal injury lawyer with a statewide practice serving all of Connecticut. When deciding where to put your mom, one of the most important things you can look for is location. Where is the nursing home located in relation to family members who are going to visit her and maybe provide some extraneous care, like showing up every day or showing up every other day to make sure everything is going fine. If the nursing home is too far away from where you live, you're simply not going to do it. So it's a good idea to look closely to where you live and then branch out from there. And the reason I'm saying this is because when you go to the nursing home, there are certain things you need to look for. And one of them is patient to staff ratio. If there's too many patients per each staff member, this is one of the first questions you may want to ask, is how many patients does each staff member have? And this can vary based on the setup of the institution. And there's some places are like resorts and they're very expensive, and when you walk into them, you don't feel like you're walking into a nursing home, you feel like you're walking into a hotel. However, the average nursing home feels like a nursing home. So when you're going into one of those places, here's what you need to look for. When you walk in the door, what does it smell like when you walk in the door? Is it okay? Is it just smell like the air? Or is there some kind of foul odor that you're getting? So that's problem number one. Then look at the staff. What do the staff look like? Do they care about their jobs? Do they seem to be friendly? Do they sound like they're patient with people? Do they seem to enjoy their work? If the answer to those questions is no, then you may want to turn around and head out the door and move on to the next nursing home. Another factor that's very important is the dining area and the cleanliness of the dining area. And I can't stress this enough. This is an area that has to be kept spotlessly clean. And you, as somebody who's bringing a parent into this nursing home, have the absolute right to say, I want to see the kitchen. You walk in the kitchen, if it's dirty or it's not up to your standards of cleanliness, then you might want to leave. These are just some basic things that you should think about when you are choosing the place where your mother or your father is going to live, because they may be there for quite a while. And if you're unhappy with the place, it's just not going to work, and you may end up having to move them, which becomes kind of a difficult task. I see these things in my practice on a regular basis. When people call me with these sorts of issues, I'm happy to talk with you about it, because it is information that you, as the person's kind of caretaker, need to be aware of, and I would have those discussions with you. I'm Erin Field. Thank you for coming by.